Good day everyone. So today I'm going to teach you one of the laws of gas law, which is Gay-Lussac's law. So our objective for today's use Gay-Lussac's law to explain the relationship between temperature and pressure, and the volume is constant. Now apply Gay-Lussac's law using mathematical calculation and relate the concept of Gay-Lussac's law to various life situations. So Gay-Lussac's law, the person who is credited with the determination of temperature and pressure, he is Joseph Louis Gay-Lussac. He deduced that the pressure of the gas is directly proportional to its temperature. So meaning, as the pressure increases, the temperature increases. And as the pressure decreases, the temperature decreases. And vice versa. Okay? Tulad nito, itong illustration ito. Cold water, okay, mababa ang temperature, mababa din ang pressure. Pag boiled water, high temperature, high pressure din. So the units that we are going to use in measuring pressure, so we have atmosphere, ATM, millimeter of mercury, okay, we have torricelli, we have the torr, and we have the Pascal and PA. So for temperature, we have Celsius, degrees Celsius, and for Kelvin, we have Kelvin, okay? So we have the formula, or can be shown in this equation, the P sub 1 divided by T sub 1 is equal to P sub 2 divided by T sub 2, where P is initial pressure, T is initial temperature, and P2, final pressure, final temperature. Now let's have an example. A gas in an aerosol can is under a pressure of 3 atmosphere at a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. It is dangerous to dispose of an aerosol can by incineration. What would the pressure in the aerosol can at a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius? Now, so today we're going to use the Gressa method. So we have the P1, P2, P2, and P2. Okay, so we have here initial temperature, we have 25 degrees Celsius, and initial temperature, final temperature, we have 300 degrees Celsius. So we all know that we're going to convert the Celsius into Kelvin. So to convert, we have the formula Kelvin is equal to degrees Celsius plus 273.15. Therefore, plus 273.15, we have 298.15 Kelvin. Okay, for 300 final temperature, 300 degrees Celsius plus 273.15 equals 573.15 Kelvin. And next, our given, another given, we have initial pressure, which is 3.00 atm or atmosphere. Ngayon, meron kasi tayong tinatawag na STP or standard temperature and pressure. So our standard temperature and pressure, we have the Kelvin, we have 0 plus 273.15 na Kelvin, and our standard pressure ay 1 atmosphere. Okay, again, our STP, standard temperature and pressure. So we have Kelvin, we have 273.15 in Kelvin, and we have the pressure for 1 atm. Okay, okay, so now what is our required? Ano bang hinahanap natin? So we are looking for final pressure. Okay, so we have the equation, we have P1 divided by T1, so we have P2 divided by the P2. Okay, so para mahanap natin ang ating final pressure, so we're going to apply cross multiplication. So we have P1 times T2, pagsamahin natin, is equal to P2 times T1. Then we are going to apply cross multiplication para makuha natin ang P2. So let us divide both sides by temperature, initial temperature, cancel. So natira na lang ay P2. So we have P1 T2 divided by T1. So this would be our formula. Now let's proceed to the solution. Okay, so we have P2 is equal to P sub 1 times T sub 2 divided by T sub 1. Now let us substitute. So our P1 or initial pressure, we have 3.00 atmosphere times ito 573, our final temperature 0.15 Kelvin. Okay, divided by our T1, which is 298.15 Kelvin. Okay, so let us compute. So let's, using the calculator, we have 3 times 573.15, okay, divided by 298.15 equals, we have 5.76, okay, 5.76 or 77 atmosphere. So we have 5.77, so anong unit natin? Atmosphere, okay, for final pressure. Therefore, we can conclude na nung tumaas ang temperature, tumaas din ang pressure. Okay, so therefore we can conclude that Gay-Lussac's law, as the temperature increases, okay, so dito as the temperature increases, the pressure also increases, and as the pressure decreases, the temperature decreases, and vice versa. Okay, so Gay-Lussac's law is the relationship between temperature and pressure, and it states that a constant volume, the pressure of a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the Kelvin temperature. Okay, so this is your activity for today. for our application. So, Gay-Lussac law can be applied in the pressure cooker. Pag tumataas ang temperature, tumataas din yung pressure. So, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng pressure cooker. That's all. Bye!